Mrs. Whitley, what does ISTEP mean for you?
What does ISTEP mean for me? ISTEP means it's the time when the students at Lincoln Elementary shine, because I know they have all worked hard, prepared themselves, and they will do a fantastic job on the test.
Okay, this is your answer from Mrs. Whitley.
Mrs. Horn, what do you like about ISTEP?
Well, Abby, there's two things I like about ISTEP. Okay, number one is there's no homework, and I like no homework because I like no grading. Okay, number two thing that I like about ISTEP is I like to see the smiles on my students' faces. Number one, after they're done with the test, and number two, when they come to school in the morning and they have a special treat on their desk.
What advice would you give to someone taking the ISTEP?
The advice I would give is probably just pay attention to your own paper. Don't look around, just always pay attention at your paper.
This is Mr. Wayne, and I'm going to be asking him what he thinks ISTEP stands for.
ISTEP stands for Indiana Statewide Testing for Educational Progress, and then there's a plus after that because it's ISTEP Plus.
What does ISTEP stand for?
ISTEP's really simple for me. It stands for Ironic Students Trying 11 Push-ups.
Madison's instructor from 4th grade in the syllabus class. Maddie, what do you like about ISTEP? What's your favorite subject? Math. Okay, here you have it. Maddie's answer.
Hi, I'm interviewing Elizabeth Stone from Mrs. Shank's 5th and 6th grade class.
And I'm interviewing Maren Hart from Mrs. Shank's 5th and 6th grade class.
Okay guys, what does ISTEP mean to you?
Well, what ISTEP means to me is that we get to show our teachers what we know and make them proud.
What ISTEP means to me is we get to shine through our academic accomplishments and abilities. And I think we both agree we like no homework and candy.
Miss Abshagen, the 4th grade teacher. Miss Abshagen, what advice would you give to kids taking ISTEP for the first time?
Well, stay calm, read all the directions and all the sentences, and read the questions carefully, check over your work, and you should be good to go.
There you have it.
What don't you like about ISTEP?
I don't like how stressful it is for the kids and how long and boring it can get. I think it should be able to be done in one day.
Go Lions! Crush the test!